Hey guys, it's Elise from Six Sisters, and today I'm going to show you how to make our 8-can taco soup. It doesn't get easier than this. It's literally 8 cans, 1 taco packet seasoning, and you've got dinner ready to go. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can get notifications of all our awesome recipes to help make your life easier. I sprayed my slow cooker with nonstick cooking spray. Now I'm adding a 15-ounce can of pinto beans that have been rinsed and drained. Next, I'm adding a 15-ounce can of black beans that have also been rinsed and drained. Next is a 15-ounce can of corn that has been drained, as well as a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. And you're just gonna pour all of that in together. Next, I'm adding a 12.5-ounce can of chicken breast that has been drained and a 10-ounce can of green enchilada sauce. Next, I'm adding a 14-ounce can of chicken broth, followed by a 10.75-ounce can of cream of chicken soup. You can use fat-free, lower calorie, lower sodium, whatever your family prefers. The very last ingredient is a 1-ounce package of taco seasoning. You can use mild, medium, or whatever your family likes. Now you're just going to mix all of the ingredients together in your slow cooker until it's well combined. And it's okay if there's still little pieces of soup in there, it will all melt together. Cover your slow cooker with your lid, and you're gonna cook it on low for 2 to 3 hours. Now that it's done cooking, we're just going to serve our taco soup in some bowls. We like to serve ours with shredded cheese on top and even some tortilla chips. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our delicious recipes.